Please take a moment to explore this presentation tour. This property is represented by Mark Zverchek. There are 5 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms in this spacious property. To arrange a time to stop by and view this property, or if you would like more information, please contact Mark Zverchek at 301-933-3333. That's 301-933-3333. Thank you for your interest in this property and enjoy the presentation tour.